Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be removing this overgrown and chipped gelish manicure that's been driving me nuts. To make it easier, I'm going to be using an electric nail file for the first time ever. I ordered this Melody Susie drill off of Amazon last week. There were so many similar options, but I decided to test this one out. The price seems to fluctuate, but at the time I ordered it, it was only $16. So this is my first time unboxing the e-file, and we're going to experience this first impression together. It comes with absolutely everything you need and an instruction manual, which is nice because sometimes Amazon buys leave you high and dry. There are a variety of different drill bits included, all for different functions, and an entire bag of replacement heads, which I imagine will last for quite a long time. The unit itself is rose gold. It's really slim and lightweight, and it works with a USB charging cord that can be plugged into any USB port. After quickly thumbing through the user manual, I was ready to get started. I plugged the USB into my laptop since it was nearby and the opposite end into the drill. This little panel on the cord controls the speed and direction of the attachments, and you can work in forward or reverse. I need to look into this a little more, but I think it's meant to help when you're working on opposite hands. I'm going to use this mandrel bit here and pop on one of the finer grit files to remove the top layer of my gel polish. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, but you do want to be careful with it. Keep the drill moving over the nail and don't stay in one spot for too long. If you do, you'll notice your nail feeling hot, which is not good. And an e-file is obviously stronger than hand filing, and you could seriously damage your nails if you're not careful. Again, I'm just trying to remove a bit of the top layer of polish until I see the base, so that when I use my clips to soak off the rest of the polish, the process will go smoother and faster. After I filed down the surface of each nail, I'm grabbing my gel removal clips. I've featured these so many times on my channel. They're amazing, and they will be linked below with everything else. I'm also grabbing 100% acetone and some cotton rounds ripped in half. I'm soaking each round in the acetone, placing it on top of the nail, and then clipping it down. Repeat this on all of your fingers, and then wait about 5 to 10 minutes or so. I ended up only soaking for about 5 minutes before taking the clips off. The e-file really expedited the removal process. I'm using this triangle tool to gently scrape off and remove any bits of polish still left on the nails until they're completely bare. I am so impressed by the condition of my nails. There was zero damage from this mani or its removal. I'm going to grab this attachment, which looks great for surface work. It feels pretty gentle, so I feel confident lightly running it over my bare nails to smooth them out a bit. Once that's done, I'm using the pointed cone bit to use around the perimeter of my cuticles to clean up any mess left behind there. When I'm done using the drill, I'm just going to run one of the cotton rounds soaked in acetone over each nail to remove any dust or debris before clipping down and filing my nails. Obviously, my middle finger was broken, so I'm clipping the rest down to match it. It's hard for me to have all different size nails. Plus, I'm going to be filming another video soon where I'll be testing out something that I think is very cool, and I need short nails for it. I'm super excited about it, and I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Once my nails are all clipped and filed, I'm going to quickly wash my hands and apply a little cuticle oil. I am really so impressed by how fast this removal was and how healthy my nails look post-gel. I have nothing but great things to say about this nail drill after my first use, and I'm sure it'll only get even easier to use with more practice. Again, please utilize caution when operating this drill. It is not recommended for use if you have an open wound, any skin diseases, or are heat sensitive. Overall, this is a great tool to have in your arsenal, and I can't wait to use it with these tips when I try out a Gel X manicure in the coming weeks. I am so excited to try them out. It's been a challenge to grow my nails with a new baby, so we're going to cheat a little bit. So stay tuned for that video. It is coming. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you have any tips for successfully using an e-file. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.